Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your Motorola Razr Fold. So, in such case, the best solution would be reaching out directly to Motorola customer support service and telling them about your issue. And if you have a proof of the ownership of your smartphone, they'll be able to help you out without removing any personal data from your device. Otherwise, you're going to have to perform the factory reset operation, which will unfortunately erase all data from your smartphone, but it will also let you set up your device once again. There are two ways to perform factory reset operation. The first one is opening web browser on any other device, then ideally opening Google, but you can also use any other search engine and searching for Find Hub. If you do that on another device, if you open this Find Hub website and then sign into the Google account that is linked with your Motorola, you'll be able to find your Motorola right here on the list, and then you'll be able to see the factory reset option in the respective menu. If you select it, your device will be reset and you'll be able to set it up once again once the factory reset operation is finished. If you cannot do it this way, then what we're gonna have to do is either turn off our device by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, and selecting power off on our screen. Or if you cannot do that because of the password, then you're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume down key at the same time until your device shuts down. Now, very important thing is that we have to unfold our device before we go to the recovery mode and perform factory reset operation locally. And if you let me actually power off the device so I can show you what I mean. Once you unfold your Motorola, you're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume down key, and just keep pressing them until you see this boot menu on your screen. Now, once you are here, use your volume down and up keys to navigate until you highlight recovery mode, then press power button to select it. Now, after a couple of seconds, you'll be able to see the Android logo sideways on your screen. What we have to do now, once we see this no command screen, is hold down the power button and short press the volume up key. And this will redirect us to the recovery mode. Now here in the recovery mode, we're gonna have to navigate using volume up and volume down keys. And to perform factory reset operation, we're gonna have to navigate down to wipe data / factory reset, then press power button to confirm, and on the following page, select factory data reset. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to this menu, where you're gonna have to simply select Reboot System Now and let your device restart. After the restart, which is gonna take some time, you'll be able to set up your device as a new one. And that's pretty much what you do in case you forget the lock screen password to your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.